Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to insert page number in two columns document in Microsoft Word clearly and correctly. Many users face difficulties when page numbers doesn't appear in the correct position or break the column layout. The step-by-step guide will help you add page numbers without distributing your two column format. Whether you are working on newsletters, magazines, research paper, brochure or academic assignments, this tutorial will ensure your page numbers look clean and professional. So let's get started. We can see here no column to this page. Now I create column first. Go to the layout menu, select this column drop down menu. Make two column, otherwise you can create column to your choice. Now I am select this two column. Now I added the page number. We can see here automatically added the page number. Now I go to the insert menu, then select the page number option and select the bottom of the page. Then click this. Then select the left. Now you can see here the page number is 1. Now I want to add two page number 1 or 2 to this one page. I applied a formula. At first remove the page number, then type Ctrl F9 double because I added the third bracket. You can add the third bracket, press and hold the Ctrl, then double time press to F9. Now I am right is equal to on the first bracket, first third bracket, then write the page, then type into 3 minus 2 because the page number is 1. Then right click on our mouse and click this update field, and here the page number is 1. Then double click on the page number second column, then again apply the same formula. At first type is equal to, then type the page, then type into and type 3 minus 1 and click right button and update the field. Now double click on the main page. We can see we added the page number 1 2. Here the 4 5 7 8 10 11 13 14 etc. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very easily. Thanks for watching.